Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most impactful yet frequently overlooked areas of landscape design, the foundation garden. For decades, the standard approach has been a straight row of identical boring green hedges pushed up against the side of the house. But landscape architecture has evolved, and it's time our front yards did too. By incorporating a stylized rock garden right at the base of your architecture, you instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. A foundation garden creates a beautiful transition between the rigid, manufactured lines of your house and the wild, organic nature of your lawn or driveway. Adding gentle, sweeping curves to the border of this bed softens the harsh angles of the building, immediately making the entrance feel more welcoming, intentional, and high-end. The secret to a modern, low-maintenance foundation bed lies in the hardscaping. Moving away from traditional wood mulch and embracing decorative stone, gravel, and boulders provides incredible texture that looks pristine year-round. It also drastically reduces the need for constant weeding and seasonal replacement. Imagine a thick base layer of fine, light beige gravel blending into larger mixed gray and brown pebbles. This textural gradient adds immediate visual interest. We then anchor the space with jagged, natural rocks and medium-sized boulders. The trick here is color harmony. By selecting boulders that feature shades of tan, gray, or rusty red, you can perfectly complement the cladding of your home, whether it is dusty rose faux stone, classic red, or crisp white stucco. The stone base grounds the house, making it look as though it naturally rises out of the landscape. With our stone foundation set, we introduce life and color. Because foundation beds are often subjected to reflected heat from the house walls and the adjacent walkways, selecting low-growing, drought-tolerant plants is crucial for a thriving, low-maintenance design. This is where you can truly paint with nature. Instead of a monolithic green hedge, create a tapestry of color and texture. We layer deep reddish burgundy foliage against the bright pop of chartreuse green shrubs. We weave in delicate floral elements like a subtle pink rosebush or vibrant creeping phlox to soften the heavy rocks. Finally, we establish year-round structure with evergreens. Creeping junipers and dense blue-green mounding shrubs ensure that even in the dead of winter, your home's foundation is framed by vibrant, living color. The final chapter of any great landscape design is how it interacts with the surrounding environment, specifically your walkways and lighting. The paving material, be it light tan rectangular blocks, natural flagstone, or sleek concrete, should clearly define the sweeping curve of the garden bed. This border acts as a visual guide, leading the eye and the visitor toward your entryway. As the sun sets, exterior lighting completely transforms the mood of your home. Warm, low-level pathway lighting bordering the rockery ensures safe navigation while casting dramatic, grazing shadows across the textured boulders and lush foliage. Subtle uplighting can highlight the architectural details of your home's foundation. By combining curved walkways, natural stone, drought-tolerant plants, and thoughtful lighting, you create a majestic, low-maintenance entrance that boosts your curb appeal from dawn until well into the night. Thank you for watching and happy landscaping.